Okay, time to take a look at the ULIBERMAGNET heavy duty garden hose holder with carrying organizer. So this comes with two straps, and what's really cool about this is that it actually has two straps per strap. So with this, we can actually Velcro this around whatever we're going to be holding, and then we got this carry handle that we can carry around, or we can take this and throw this directly on a hook. Now this one actually comes with a hook that is perfectly designed for this strap, so we can just throw that right on top, or as an alternative, we could take the hose and throw it right over this hook. What's nice about this one is it doesn't have any sharp edges on the front, so we don't have to worry about damaging our hose whenever we go to put it on. Everything is perfectly rounded off. Now the reason I like having this type of strap system is because if you take something like this and you got to strap it around a bar or something like that, and you just have one Velcro loop, you have to hold this, you have to hold the bar, you have to hold everything together while you're putting it up. And especially if you have to hold that up high, like if you're putting it up on a wall or something like that, that makes it a little bit more difficult. But with this, I can do all the heavy lifting here. Then it's already done, then I can just take this and I can put that right on a hook. So this is a much better solution. I also like seeing it's got this little tab right here, so we actually got something we can grab onto. So instead of trying to grab the corner and try to peel this Velcro off, this makes it a lot easier. Plus, there is a bunch of hook and loop material on here, so there is no way that this is going to be coming off. I also really like that it has this support right here. So instead of just being some cloth like this, which could actually grab our hands and try to like pull it down on the sides, this gives us some support. So even if we're grabbing something that's very heavy, it's not going to fatigue our hands. So if we got to carry this clear across a parking lot, it's not going to be a problem. So with this hook, this setup of the holes on the mounting plate, you can see it is a 3-screw pattern. It actually does come with screws. It actually comes with an extra screw, which is great. And we have concrete anchors in here, so we can actually take this and put it into concrete. If I was going to be mounting this to a stud, I'd probably just drill another hole right here in the center, so I have a straight line going up and down. But you probably get away with just using one screw and one stud, and then using 2 anchors for these 2 holes in the drywall. And that will keep it from spinning. You might be able to just use all these anchors in drywall and have that to hold this up. It's not going to be as solid as going directly into a stud, but it is an option if that's something that you need to do. Now, one thing I noticed about this that I really like is that there is actually a plug in here holding the strap in place. So you don't have to worry about this thing sliding back and forth, because if it could, this strap would have a lot more movement as you're carrying it around, which will fatigue your hands faster if you need to take this on a long journey. So this is a very good design strap. Yeah, so comparing the two, this is definitely a much nicer solution. Pretty cool. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice kit.